how to set auto download file size our mobile data on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Message App. After click on Message App, click on this profile icon. After click on this profile icon, scroll down and click on Message Settings. After click on Message Settings, scroll down and click on RCS chats. After click on RCS chats, scroll down and you will see auto download file. Which you will see if you want to set auto download file. So you will select 2.0 MB, 5.0 MB, 10 MB, 25 MB, 50 MB. You will select MB from here. After select, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set auto download file size auto our mobile data on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.